Alright. Govy, come in. Alright.
How the place look?
No. Valiant. Hold on. No. Not anything wrong with Valiant, you know. Don't get me wrong, you know. It's just that it's not Valiant time right now. Isn't it? We are going to something different.
I've seen plenty of power bands.
Too expensive.
Tell me Shakespeare.
Like, comment, share, subscribe. Now, Govy's a creative artist. Big dancehall artist.
For fight fi get in, knock you do a whole night fi get in. Girl sit down if you like it, say this. Say a man cocky dead a 9 night she a kid. Girl you too tight fi say please. You walk and whine like it a squeeze. Rock your body and she never miss a beat. So the two pussy jar them a fight with the jeans. Body breaker, cocky take a wreck.
Like, comment, share, subscribe. Creativity and point.
Beg you a favor, broke your body head. Me say, from me pussy bless, if you represent. Me say, pink pretty flesh up inna the mesh. Me say, me we pay for tell me what is hell. Me say, shot a graper, me say them fi dead. Me say, then it's up a gen, would you not the neck? Rub it on the edge, body not fi dead. That's what she said. The body chip fi get in. Just a look.
Pull up.
Me have to fight fi get in. Knock you do a whole night fi get in. Girl sit down if you like it, say this. Say a man cocky dead a 9 night she a kid. Girl you too tight fi say please. You walk and whine like it a squeeze. Rock your body and she never miss a beat. So the
What the bad?
two pussy jar them a fight with the jeans. Body breaker, cocky take a wreck. Me say, beg you a favor, broke your body head. Me say, from me pussy bless, if you represent. Me say, pink pretty flesh up inna the mesh. Me say, me we pay for tell me what is hell. Me say, shot a graper, me say them fi dead. Me say, blend this up a gen, would you not the neck? Rub it on the edge, body not fi dead. That's what she said. The body chip fi get in. Just a look who a the tip me get in. Say she wants it and stiff till the lean. No pussy test me tell her send a bitch to the queen.
Govy, find it.
Too tight fi say please. You walk and whine like it a squeeze.
Alright.
Broke your body and she never miss a beat. So the two pussy jar them a fight with the G's. What about the buff? Fit up at the must, baby. When you cock it up, you fi cock it up. Drop it coffee cup, you me happy rock. How the girl make me happy so the pussy happy luck. Could they? Full of stamina, coffee you keep up. Block your cocky, you know I me chat the body you chip up. Nah light heavy up, short girl them heavy buff. Cock it up and make me knock it yes up and the party up. Me have to fight fi get in. Knock you do a whole night fi get in. Girl sit down if you like it, say this. Say a man cocky dead a 9 night she a kid. Girl you too tight fi say please. You walk and whine like it a squeeze. Broke your body and she never miss a beat. So the two pussy jar them a fight with the jeans. Girl them time. Me say.
But you need this in a dancehall.
Girl them time. Girl them time. Me say. Girl them time. Fight fi. Fight fi. Me have to fight fi. Me have to fight fi get in. Knock you do a whole night fi get in. Girl sit down if you like it, say T girl. Girl sit down if you like it, I suck girl. Girl sit down if you like it. Girl sit down if you like it. Girl sit down if you
Man. Alright, first thing first. The video, 10 out of 10. Creative, well put together. The visuals are pretty much up to standards. You see me? And that's one thing I always tell people. If you're going to make a song, bro, and you're going to make a video, make the video match the song. You can't sing about woman, then you start bring one bag of gun thing in your... You see me that like bro, me just not like it, bro. Me just not like the idea you sing about a woman and you start bringing some bad man lyrics tonight and them something like that. Yeah. It kinda... Yes, it's a mixture for say you can supply bad man love. You see me? Cause you know, a bad man can love a woman, but you know, in idea still bad. You see me? So you're throwing some bad man lyrics tonight, or whatever the case is. But reach a stage in a dancer that we just want clarity, dog. You see me? We just want dancer to have clarity. Like this is clarity. You see me? Man, I sing a song about tight VV woman. A man have some woman in the video dance, and it is just strictly that. You see me? Now one bagger bad man turn up with screw face, man just enjoy themselves, woman enjoy themselves in the video. That's what we need back in dancehall. Cause dancehall are straight from the main topic when it comes to the song and the video. Like back in the days when you have medley, bro, and you have different artists on the medley. You see me back in them days there. You see everything used to match up, dog. If a gunman medley is a gunman song, gunman video. You see me? And them thing we want in a dancehall, bro. This is clarity. This is creativity. This is well put together, sort out lyrics. You see me? Now, me personally give the song 10 out of 10. You see me? The content overall. You see me? When I say content overall, that means I'm going to have to break down the visuals, the lyrical content. You see me? The play on words, the similes, the adjectives and all them, something that we don't have to break down. But when you hear me say the content of the song, that governs all of it. You see me? So, me give it a 10 out of 10. Personally, video and song. This is a hit to me. You see me? If you don't think so, that's fine. This is my opinion. But anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe. Big up Govy. Big up the 4th generation them. You see me? And big up Strike Force. You see me? Yeah, man.